How was your overall experience with ITCS?
It was really good. How it was really good. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವೀಸಾ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇವರಿಂದ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್.
Your overall experience?
Yes, sir. It was very overwhelming, and it is very good traveling with ITCS, and it is very good being in Delhi and traveling from Bangalore to Delhi till here. The services and the hotel, food, everything is so good, and yeah, we are here now.
Okay, so Mahalakshmi, like when you plan to choose a profession of medical field, what was the motto in your mind?
First of all, when you hear medical itself, in India we can know that it's very expensive, and yeah, we have to think about the alternate options for this thing. So I think this is best option. Like Russia is first of all is a very good option rather than India, and ITCS with Russia is very good
Okay.
thing.
Very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very pleasant moment for us. Today we are at Delhi Terminal 3 and traveling to Tuas State Medical University, Russia. It is one of the best university of the Russia, affordable and one of the safest destination. It is very near to Moscow also. In the same series of making doctors from India, today we have two students, both are from Karnataka. One is Prashanti and second one is Mahalakshmi. In this short video, we'll just try to understand how is the overall experience of both with ITCS, as today we're in the departure gate. So what was the overall feeling and how they got the support through ITCS and all till date. Hi Prashanti, very good
Hello
morning.
sir, good morning.
So Prashanti, like I remember we are connected from the last 1.5 months or 2 months.
Yes.
Approximately. The day one you came along with your sister first time to my office.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
So from that day to today, how was your overall experience with ITCS?
It was really good. It was really good. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ನು ಲೈಕ್ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವೀಸಾ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇವರಿಂದ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್.
So like Prashanti, as we started yesterday from Bangalore, so from Bangalore to Delhi, how you got the hospitality and everything through ITCS which you
Yes.
made it? Yeah.
It was really good. We traveled from Bangalore to Delhi, and from Delhi we stayed at a hotel, and their hospitality was really good. The food, the stay, and everything.
Okay. So Prashanti, like you decided to choose this medical profession. What was the motto behind this? I think you are going to be the first doctor from your home.
Yeah, like Russia. I chose Russia because it's cheap and good education also. Like as per I know,
Mhm.
so
Okay. So like when you planned for choosing this medical field in a Bangalore itself, so many consultancy was there.
yes.
Hope you have visited multiple places also. What was the overall experience you find with the ITCS guidance and others over here?
I've heard ITCS from lot many people, and even the advertisements in the Insta as well, in the FB and all. And through that, I contacted ITCS, and then I got.
Okay. So no, I just want to know, like as you went to the different consultancies also. So there, how was the experience? What kind of guidance? Whether the
Like
transparency?
there, we have to travel by ourselves, like
Hmm.
on our expenses, and without any help of a agency and all. So
Mhm. Okay, but the ITCS promised you
Yeah.
whatever we have promised, everything we made on the time.
yes, sir.
Okay. So at last you can give a message to your juniors, those really wants to become a doctor. You can suggest.
Okay, if you really want to become a doctor and in an affordable way and please do contact ITCS, and they're really helpful. And yeah, like the hospitality is really good, and one agency guy will really travel with you, and they'll help you get things over there. As per I know, like I have already contacted my friend who is already in the Russia through ITCS, so I think this is a better option. Thank
Okay. Thanks, and thanks for giving service opportunity. Yeah, Mahalakshmi. Hi, very good morning, Mahalakshmi.
Good morning, sir.
So, Mahalakshmi, how was your overall experience?
Yes, sir. It was very overwhelming, and it is very good traveling with ITCS, and it is very good being in Delhi and traveling from Bangalore to Delhi till here. The services and the hotel, food, everything is so good, and yeah, we are here now.
Okay, so Mahalakshmi, like when you plan to choose a professional of medical field, what was the motto in your mind?
First of all, when you hear medical itself in India, we can know that it's very expensive, and yeah, we have to think about the alternate options for this thing. So I think this is best option. Like Russia is first of all is a very good option rather than India, and ITCS with Russia is very good.
Okay, thank you. So, like Mahalakshmi, like what are the things we promised?
Yeah.
Correct? You got everything through ITCS
Yes.
on time. Like today, we are in the departure counter, like
Yeah.
Terminal 3.
Yes,
we are over
yes.
here. You got your passport, visa,
Yes.
flight ticket, as we promised. Everything.
Yes,
everything you have
yes, yeah. On time, we got everything.
got. And
Yes.
as I also have told that the first year of the entire set of the books, apron, kit.
Apron, medical kit, and books also, guides. We got everything before itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have packed everything properly.
yes.
You got your passport and all
Yeah,
everything.
we got
Okay.
passport.
So, like, you know, one point, Prasanti, for you also, I'll say, and Mahalakshmi for both. ITCS is always with you. Whenever you need any help, we are just a call or message away from.
Yeah.
But we can help you only into the non-academic parts. Related to the academic parts, sir, I have not passed this exam, I need support. Please don't call for such things and all. We are not here for anything related to the academic sections. We are always with you for non-academic related any queries, anytime during the 6 years of the tenure. Post completion of the study, you need guidance for the FMG related, you guidance for the internship related in India. All such guidance will provide. But exams clearing, moving from stage 1 to next stage, it is solely your responsibilities.
Yes.
Okay. Many best wishes for both of you.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
And you have whatever the guidance we have given, follow the entire sessions. Rest will take care of you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you stay connected with us to get more informative videos related to the making doctors from the India. You subscribe our YouTube channel for more information. Thank you.